Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Grace Wambui Gitahi. I know it has been long since you guys saw a new video uploaded on our YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a very interesting topic, skin and beauty, but mostly I'm going to show you the ways of how to ensure that you have a healthy skin, since the skin is our largest organ. I can say personally my skin is like a vital organ. And we know, according to research, the skin equates to approximately 7% of the body weight in an average adult. It has various benefits, or rather it has various functions. It helps in controlling the body temperature. It helps to store blood. It helps in protection. It helps in sensation when it comes to touch, vibration, maybe when you're feeling pain somewhere, maybe when you're feeling cold, or when you touch fire, the heat, the skin is able now to sense. It helps in absorption and excretion. Remember, the skin absorbs whatever from the outside world, and it is able now to keep whatever our system needs, and also to excrete the harmful substances, or rather the waste that can be toxic when it comes to our system. Remember that we have the explanation when it comes to absorption and excretion. And also it helps in vitamin D production. Vitamin D, it is used to help the body to absorb calcium from food. I know people who have used supplements, they can testify that some of the calciums out there in the market, they have vitamin D. Reason being, so that it can be able now, the system can be able to absorb calcium. So the vitamin D, it helps to absorb calcium from the food, and also good for the bone, and also good for the muscle health and for the immunity, and also helps to reduce levels of inflammation. How to keep your skin healthy, since it is like a vital organ? How do you ensure that you have a healthy skin, and what are the things that we do, or we are supposed to do, so that we can make sure that we have a healthy skin? Number one, ramp up sun protection. From the sun, we know very well that we have the bad, harmful UV rays. Some of the people, when you are exposed to the sun for long, you can get the sunburns, or you can get the sunspots. But how do you make sure that, because you cannot avoid the sun, how do you make sure that the bad, harmful UV rays are not affecting your skin? Number one, you make sure that you use a sunscreen. Make sure that you avoid long exposure to the sun, mostly when it comes at around 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And also you wear protective clothing. Maybe when you are exposed to the sun, you can wear a hat. You can make sure that you have sunglasses. The other way on how to keep your skin healthy is eating a healthy diet. We normally say that you are what you eat, so your skin is also what you feed it with. In other words, the quality of your nutrition and diet can really be reflected on your skin. Adding a few key vitamin-rich foods to your diet can greatly improve the quality and appearance and the glow of your skin. There are at least a dozen healthy foods proven to boost the skin appearance. For instance, the nutrients found in fatty fish like salmon can help to reduce inflammation and promote the production of the new skin cells. We have avocados, great source of vitamin E. Some people can use even to mask. And you know very well that vitamin E is a very key vitamin that we need when it comes to our skin. It helps to protect the skin against oxidative damage. And also we have the soy to reduce the fine wrinkles and improve the skin elasticity. The time to protect your skin from irreparable damage is now. Don't wait for your skin to be damaged so that you start repairing it. Remember, prevention is better than cure. You can start by by preventing from the damage now. By protecting yourself from the sun and pampering your skin regularly and eating a vitamin-rich diet, your skin will continue to be healthy and vibrant throughout your life. Remember, how do you pamper your skin? We have I can say a skincare routine. I'm not going to specify the routine into details, but I'm just going to give two routines for cleansing and also for masking. We have beauty products or very organic products that help to cleanse. But remember, we are normally told that we need to cleanse our face twice a day. Most of us who are working, before you leave the house, ensure that you cleanse your face very well, and also in the evening when you come to sleep, so that your skin can feel fresh and rejuvenated every night. And the other thing is to mask. We have also other products that one can use to mask, but here at K2U Africa, we have an amazing product that a lady can use to mask, which is alfalfa concentrated liquid chlorophyll. This is just chlorophyll from the alfalfa plant, but the nutrients which the alfalfa plant has it, when you mask your face, it will help your skin or your face to feel rejuvenated and also fresh, and it gives you that natural glow that we ladies mostly we want. When you're told that you're glowing, that's the most, I think, the most amazing thing that you can be told by someone. It really feels nice when you're told that your skin is glowing. Yes, it will help your skin to glow and also to feel fresh throughout. We also have another product that deals with also the skin. Remember, we are normally told beauty blooms from inside out. Before I go to the other product, still on the alfalfa plant, it will help to cleanse. As much as I'm going to use it to mask, you're not supposed to use it as for beauty purposes only, but also to cleanse. To cleanse your digestive system. It will ensure that your body is also getting the macro and the micronutrients that you need. Remember, I've said when it comes to eating a healthy diet, you are also going to be feeding your system with the macro and micronutrients that you need, and also it will be able to alkaline your system. Remember, you cannot be having a healthy skin if your pH is acidic. That's a lie. You need to have something which is alkaline, something which is neutral, so that you can have a healthy skin. We also have another product called Pro Stem Cell. This one is super Pro Stem Cell. Pro Stem Cell. I repeat the word pro. This one is super when it comes to the skin and the overall health beauty. It is a product that deals with beauty and also health in overall. It has some ingredients, and I'm going to share some of the ingredients which focus on the skin, and also how the ingredients protect or how they ensure that we have a healthy skin. There is one ingredient called the grape stem cell. It helps to protect the lifespan of the skin stem cells. It also helps to protect the skin stem cells from the UV stress that I just shared when you're exposed to the sun for long. It will help you to maintain a healthy skin. Then on the other ingredient, we have the fish collagen peptide. It helps to firm the skin. It helps to smooth the wrinkles and the fine lines. It helps to lock it helps to lock cell moisture and strengthen skin moisturizing. It helps to restore the skin elasticity and also smoothens the skin. It helps to lighten dark spots and scars. It helps to protect against the harmful UV rays, just the ones that I shared when you're exposed to the sun and you lack to protect your skin from the bad anti-UV rays, the UV rays. It also has vitamin C. It helps to protect the skin cells from free radicals. The vitamin C, it helps to even the skin tone. It helps to enhance skin radiance and also promotes the production of collagen in the body. When it comes to collagen, did you know that we ladies, we tend to lose 2.5 times of our collagen compared to the men? No wonder you can see a man who is 50 but looks 30. But you can find a lady who is 30 but looks 40. Reason being, we tend to lose a lot of collagen, but for our product here, it helps to boost the collagen production. And remember, if you don't have vitamin C in your body, even when you take the fish or any collagen product, it won't be fully absorbed. Those are some of the ways and some of the products here at K2U Africa that we can advise you to make sure that you have a healthy skin. And also remember, I've shared the normal routine. Let me say what we can do at home: eating a healthy diet, pampering your skin. But remember, beauty blooms from inside out. And for the alfalfa concentrated chlorophyll, it's something which is in liquid form. So when you're masking it, you just tap on your face, then leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it. But if possible, during the day, you can be able to take and enjoy your water with alfalfa concentrated chlorophyll, the better. The more you take it, the more effective and the more results, positive results that you're going to get. When it comes to our Pro Stem Cell, there are 14 sachets, blackcurrant powder. It's in powder form. People who are 35 years and above, we advise 2 sachets in a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening on an empty stomach. But 35 and below, 1 sachet per day. You can decide to take it in the morning or in the evening. Remember, don't wait for your skin to get damaged so that you can start repairing it. You remember, you need to prevent. Prevention is better than cure. And also, you need to maintain that healthy skin. Thank you so much. I was your host, Grace Wamboi Gitahi. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.